morning to be crew. Solar panel is kind of fixed and we are ready to leave this campsite and look around the Senegal. So let's get ready and enjoy the green Africa and black Africa from today.
This camera?
불랑이 뭐야? I heard that kids love to eat chocolate here too.
Yeah.
So maybe next time we are gonna buy chocolate too. So in Senegal, the speed bump are really serious. So if you are driving nighttime or you just speed a little bit, yeah, it can kill you.
Here comes another one right here.
Yeah, that's better. That's no.
Still a huge ass. Oh my gosh. Wow.
So that's what we are doing, climbing up the speed bump. So yeah, I'm sure that no one want anyone to speed, right? That's the reason why I think they build it. I mean, it works.
You see those deep scratches in the speed bump?
Yeah.
Many people have messed up their cars.
Yeah. But one bad thing is there's so many garbage. 여기 쓰레기가 너무 많아.
We call that goat food.
염소는 다 먹긴 하는데 문 바로 잠가야 돼, 알지? Hi, Bunser. Asmia! What happened? You just got back from Gambia? What happened? Good to see you. Oh, really good to see you.
Everything is so corrupt. It's so bad.
Really? You didn't go to Gambia?
Yes, I was in Gambia one
okay.
day. Everything is bad, everything is dirty, and sit area. Yeah, you must pay, Hello. And it's so gone, gone here, What the fuck is this country? Everything is so corrupt. Every people want only the money from me. And what is this?
We're making this cross. You're gonna go.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, man.
Nice to see you,
Yeah,
my
good to see
friend.
you
Thank
again.
you.
It was nice to see you. Bye.
Ciao, ciao. Oh my gosh.
Next time chocolate, okay? 와, 아스미야 진짜 뭐 많이 겪었네.
Yeah.
We just start to travel Senegal right now, so we are gonna focus on Senegal, and then when we are kind of getting used to, maybe we can think about it. But right now, I think.
But the thing is, when you travel to this area of the world, you have to expect corruption.
Yeah.
Right? And you have to be ready to pay for that corruption. If you don't, you're gonna have a time like Asmir. You're gonna be fighting non-stop.
맞아.
Park here for a second.
Should I wait here or?
Yeah, wait here.
We don't have it. Later. We don't have it right now. Hi. Mark went to the bank because we don't have a cash. We don't have a cash right now, banka. We don't have a cash. Oh, it's not working maybe.
Watch out, hey.
뭐 어떻게? Is it working?
Yeah. Bye bye, guys. And Joe's there, right?
Yeah, over there.
Watch out, guys. Watch out.
Oh. They just put the hands between the cars so that Mark can close the door. So I don't know. It's different level, definitely. Yeah, we are in the gas station. We fill up the gas. The problem is, since my phone was broken, I couldn't even transfer any money to the bank. We usually pull out the cash, so there's a zero money. So he was only able to pull out the only 50 euro, right? 경찰 체크포인트다.
Bonjour. I want to check
Oh,
your
inside.
car.
Okay.
Inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can show me
Okay, yeah, no
the
problem.
luggage.
Yeah.
This is your yes, your home, your room.
Yeah.
You
bed here.
Yeah, we pull this out and then we make the bed.
So welcome to Senegal.
Yeah, no, I was shocked that you wanted to look inside the car.
나도.
So I thought for sure
Yeah,
this is gonna be one of those corrupt guys, right?
Yeah.
But actually it was super nice.
Yeah. Alright guys, we had another checkpoint, but first time we already went through the kind of crazy road and traffic. I wasn't in kind of sababien mood. So the police officer said that I want to check your car inside. And the first time I was quite shocked, and my face definitely showed the expression what is going on. And then we opened the car and he was fine. He just asked kind of random things do you sleep here? Welcome to Senegal. Actually, it's the first time to hear since we got here.
Well, because it's the first time we met someone who spoke English.
Yeah.
As far as the gendarmerie goes.
Yeah, so he said everything's good, and I say smile, big smile with a Mexico girl. He
turned out to be a really nice guy.
Yeah, I thought I was kind of defend mood.
When he said I want to check your luggage, I thought we were gonna have to pull shit.
Yeah.
Well,
Road
I thought we were gonna have to pull everything out.
Yeah, I mean, just in the middle of the road, and I don't want to do that one. If I want to do it, it's just better to bring the car to police station and then do it, right? But turns out that he's a nice guy.
Yeah, really nice.
And then we hear the welcome to Senegal. It's really nice to hear it too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we are kind of 40 minutes away from Dakar, but I think it would take a little bit while because there is a kind of road construction going on. Clear.
It's like Russia all over again.
It's just checking every time. It's train is coming or not for our own safety.
Even though they have a gate.
Yeah. It's a habit from Russia.
Yeah, right.
Oh, there the plates and everything is so pretty. 진짜 돈 뽑으면은 꼭 여기 둘러야겠다. TV crew, we are on the highway. Yay! It's much better than the previous road because traffic jam, a little bit headache, but the motorcycle, taxi, big truck, horse, donkey, bicycle, we were kind of being kind of twisted together, right? It's kind of like a dancing on the road. But yeah, since we got on the highway, it's really good. Price is,
Oh my god, look at that air.
Is it Dakar? Yeah, that doesn't look good. Oh wow, that's really bad. Oh shit! What the? Man, what the? Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, so I think it's the next exit after this one.
Oh my god.
Alright,
Ooh.
you made it, no problem. The good news is that to get to our campsite, we need to go back through that road.
What?
Parking lot guy.
Frankfurt.
Okay, Frankfurt. Oh, bacon도 있다.
진짜네.
Oh, it's pretty cheap too, 75.
Oh wow.
한번 살까?
Bacon. 야, 우리
Wow.
American product를 가지게 될 줄 몰랐다, 야. Yeah, we just did a grocery shopping because we didn't have any food left. So luckily we found the outing and then bought some stuff. We did a quick shopping because we don't want to drive nighttime. So we did a shopping within 30 minutes, but we were waiting in that kind of checking out, cashier.
Yeah, the queue to check out. Oh my god.
More than 30 minutes. There are so many people, but their machine is keep working something. So we had to wait for a long time. But when we got out, it's dark, and we don't want to drive at nighttime. Seriously, but hopefully we can get there before it is really completely dark.
Yeah.
crazy. Mad Max. Oh my god, this is just horrible. Taxi. There's a cop. I didn't even know he was there. Guys, unfortunately, we missed our exit in highway and we are going through this city. And this is crazy, really crazy. You cannot explain with any word. I don't know. Like there's a roundabout and there's a police officer. They say like just like a zoom through in the roundabout that they bump.
Over the roundabout.
Yeah, over the roundabout. I was like, what? You gotta be kidding, what? And everyone was doing it. We did it, and just it's amazing experience we're having it right now. I was screaming and almost squished by the trucks and containers, and I was like freaked out. And the scooters just like a zoom through. Well, this is the reason why you don't want to miss the exit in the highway, right? And Mark is having a kind of hell time. But with your driving skill, you know, you're going through good.
Thanks.
Okay, fighting.
How much
Yeah,
time? Oh, we still got 2 kilometers to go.
13 minutes. 13분 걸려. Okay, wish us a good luck. Cross the finger, we can get there.
And they have space.
And then I have a space.
Is it the apocalypse right now?
I don't know, I feel like I'm having a Mad Max.
Oh, ladies. Jeez. Did not see them at all. I think it's supposed to be this building here, but I don't see any entrance to it.
Oh yeah, I can see the camper.
Okay.
Merci beaucoup.
We made it!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, there's those guys.
어? 진짜네.
Hello. 우리 지금 어디 가는 거예요?
졸라빠 치킨.
졸라 붙이게.
C'est comme ça. C'est correct. Manwartu Mojot. Ok.
Oh my god.
No, not the. You try to take the phone. Like grab the phone.
No, I saw that
Yeah.
somebody was kind of close. I don't know what was going on. Like, oh, you were like opening the door. Like, yeah, I'm gonna fight.
I thought that you filmed it.
No, I
I'm
had
still
just
shaking.
turned it off.
Ah, comme ça. Okay,
Yeah.
comme ça. Oh my god, I'm still shaking.
I saw him grabbing it and I was like, shit.
조심해, 아니야.
어떻게 됐어?
지금 뭐 핸드폰 날치기 나갈 뻔한 거지.
Oh my god.
Welcome to Dakar. Welcome to Dakar.
And you're okay, right? Your hands fine.
Fine. Everything is fine.
Oh my
But,
god.
It was shocking, quite shocking, huh? The guy came like this. I didn't see it. You guys, you saw it.
Yeah.
I just saw somebody running in the darkness, huh? And you're paralyzed. You can do anything.
And you could hear the thud of him hitting the car, you know, like the goom.
I heard the phone falling. You know,
phone was
Tuck, the phone fell.
Yeah.
And the guy took the
Cover.
Yeah. It was crazy, huh?
Oh my god.
So guys, be careful when you come to Dakar.
Yeah.
Don't take your phone out like this. Even when you're in the car, always close the windows if you want to watch your phone. Oh, okay. Again, this phone will not survive this night.
Elle n'a qu'à venir. Elle peut venir, après le seul peut venir.
I'm so nervous filming right now. Thank you, merci. Wow, this is fancy. We are in a fast food chicken restaurant.
Jollof chicken.
Look at this place. Oh my god. What do you think? Pretty fancy, huh?
Yeah.
So thinking about the
Yeah, Natalie, we were shocked.
I'm still in shock. I'm still a bit nervous.
yeah.
Enjoy,
Okay.
guys.
Bon appetit.
So this is kind of famous, right?
Yeah,
Jollof
jollof
chicken.
chicken, KFC of Senegal.
We were chicken experts, so we know.
Okay, we will tell us.
You good?
Okay.
Thumbs up?
Salted well. 맛있어. 카메라 그렇게 되지 마라.
Là, le mec. Non, non, non.
Use the camera in stealth mode.
Yeah, still.
This is where it happened, right here.
Le problème, le vol, c'est
I just wanna see the